My name is Raquel Hunter, and I'm a senior analyst. Typically, I have a campaign, and the account teams and the strategy teams usually have an outcome that they think that they're looking for. So I'll keep that outcome in mind, but I'll dive deep into the data to see if there's another win for us. Internally, we may have an example where we're planning 9 months out for a commercial, and we want to compare that commercial series to how a similar one did the year before. So if we're using NetBase to see what the social chatter was, once we present our findings of which commercial to use or to cut or to modify to the external client, we can tell the external client that we also researched our decision using NetBase. So we try to blend it in and not just use NetBase as an online tool, but to also influence offline decisions. I love NetBase's flexibility. So say if you love writing your own Boolean queries, you can do that. But say if you want to save a little extra time, you can use NetBase as the embedded tools. I also love NetBase because NetBase gives you lots of audience insights. And as individuals, when people are posting on social, they're really trying to show a specific persona. And with NetBase, we can dive in and we can look at those personas and see if that matches our brand. And if it does, how do we use that to portray additional messages? I've been using NetBase for about 3.5 years, and I immediately fell in love with it. I've used other brands also, other tools, but NetBase is always my go-to. And whenever I go to a different agency or I meet a new business partner, I'm like, we have to use NetBase. So NetBase has kind of followed me along my journey, but it is truly the best tool to be able to dive in, to look at the data, to look at the audience insights, to look at how does your brand connect with users.